Hey, Matt with 911R Brain Trailer, Avant-Garde is our dealership. Today we have this 308 GT4 that we have currently live on Brain Trailer. So I just want to kind of walk around and talk about the car. So these cars were a little bit different style than the Pininfarina design 308 308 GTB and GTS, like people would say the Magnum PI car. This is the Bertone version of the 308. It has the same powertrain as the Pininfarina one, but you get a little bit of a, we're talking a little bit, kind of like 911 style, back seat and a sunroof. That's what made this car a little bit special. These cars were kind of unloved for many, many years, but really recently they've picked up a lot of credibility and people and desire. I have to say, driving a regular 308 and the GT4, these actually, I think, drive better. I don't know, something about the handling, the stance, just something about them. I feel like they actually have a little better feel. They have a little more headroom. They're a little more roomy inside, and they're actually really grown on me as well. So walking around this car, this is a 6,000 mile car. We believe that to be true in actual mileage. And this car has also competed in the Concours d'Elegance, Concorso Italiano, and it was a Coppa GT award winner. It was at least an award winner in the thing. I'm not sure if it was Coppa GT or not. We look in the documents. We have them in the auction. Looking at the inside of the car, the leather's all original, the carpet's all original. It's got really nice patina and feel to it. It's all very nice and soft. The Momo factory steering wheel, the gated shifter, the stock stereo. This is an AC car as well. Zoom in there and see the mileage on the odometer. You look down and look at the pedals, you can see that it's all really correct, and there's no reason to believe this car isn't the correct mileage. Come around to the back. You see the engine bay is absolutely beautiful, stunning. I mean, you'd almost think it was restored, but this is an original car, like I said. You have the four downdraft Weber carburetors, the dual ignition points, dual distributors, and really pretty trick. And the smog pump, all the stuff is here. Again, if you took this to a Ferrari judging, this car would do really well. And back in the back, we have the full toolkit, all the mats, all this stuff. I mean, this car is a time capsule. These are the extra floor mats that come with them in the factory. The jack kits over here. Again, all the seals, all the trim, everything's really nice on this car. Come around to the passenger side. Again, the interior looks really good. It has the 14-inch Ferrari wheels with the correct Michelin tires on it. Which really looks right. When people change the wheels on these things, they don't look as good. This car also has the black boxer trim that was applied on it, so it's kind of makes it really unique. A lot of these cars have the boxer trim. So, any questions, hit up us on the contact seller, and we'll help you out. Nice jet plane.